Are you looking to make money online every single day without any upfront investment? The internet is brimming with opportunities, and today I'm here to reveal a fantastic online earning method that you can start using right from your mobile device. Imagine waking up in the morning and knowing that your potential for daily earnings lies at your fingertips. If you're excited to explore this avenue, stay tuned till the end for invaluable tips. To kickstart your online earning journey, selecting the right platform is crucial. With a myriad of options available, favorite choices include freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork, or tapping into content writing through the Medium Partner Program and personal blogs. Don't overlook the power of visual content. YouTube Shorts and TikTok can also be lucrative channels with monetization potential. But for a risk-free method that guarantees quick returns, we'll specifically focus on GPT, Get Paid To, websites, and microtasking platforms. GPT websites allow you to earn money by completing simple, bite-sized tasks online. These tasks can range from taking surveys, watching advertisements, installing apps, to executing other straightforward assignments. Platforms like Swagbucks, Timebucks, Wesensi, and Clickworker stand out as some of the leading options in this space, offering a user-friendly interface and numerous opportunities to earn at your own pace. It's not just about making money, it's about enjoying the process while you do it. Now you may wonder, how do these platforms pay you for your efforts? The most commonly used payment methods include PayPal, Payoneer, or even gift cards as instant rewards. This flexibility ensures that anyone can participate and receive their earnings without hassle. And for those curious about the legitimacy of these sites, providing proof of earnings through screenshots or screen recordings can readily quell any doubts. For those looking to supercharge their earning potential, I've got a bonus tip: leverage referral systems. Many of these platforms invite you to share referral links so that when you introduce new users, you receive a commission for every successful sign-up. It's a win-win situation. The more people you refer, the higher your income climbs. In conclusion, embarking on your online earning journey has never been easier. With simple tasks and strategic planning, you can watch your daily earnings grow. Try out these methods for yourself, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful earning tips. More exciting secrets are on their way in the next video.